Hello friends, I'm Neha and today we will be talking about indigestion. Yes friends, the summers have arrived and I'm sure a lot of you must be suffering from indigestion and some people would be suffering from loss of appetite. So what is that natural thing which you can include which will help you with digestion and loss of appetite? Friends, I have got this amazing product for you. This is Digestozyme Syrup by Vedic Upchar. Friends, it is 100% natural and it is a natural digestive stimulant. So if you have any issues related to indigestion or people who are suffering from anorexia and loss of appetite, you must try this amazing product. Friends, it has a blend of some amazing natural and precious herbs, and some of the herbs include mulethi, धनिया, सफ़ेद जीरा, अजवाइन, harad, and so on. Friends, you can just get all the details on the back of the product. So friends, this product is available on various e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart and Meesho. So if you want to order it, you can just visit these sites. Also friends, you can get the information of this product on our website www.vedicupchar.com.